There he is. Haven't seen him as much, but I've seen him lately. That's the stray cat, Red. He was just sitting on the porch in the back. We've got a few stray cats. He's been around for like a year. What do you think, Red? You're looking pretty fat. I think somebody's feeding you. So, Red's outside. He looks like he's hunting. Kittens are down here eating a snack. What are you doing, Red? You sneaking away? You'll be back. You're always back. So these guys are out here with me, eating their lunch. Still have to clean the back deck up. You know, I broke my wrist and all that this year, so I'm playing catch up now. These guys are eating food and drinking water on their own. What do you think? Spot. Red's waiting for me to leave. It's a nice day out. Beautiful. But that's Red. Won't let you come near him, but he does hang out. It's pretty mellow. You just gonna relax there, Red, till I go inside? I'm thinking, yep. Okay, guys. Remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.